Today we are going to make the classic daiquiri cocktail. Now I love making daiquiris because of two reasons. First of all, it's a rum based cocktail and I love rum. And number two, it's really easy to make. It just has 3 ingredients. So let's get started. So first we are going to need some freshly squeezed lime juice. So I'm going to cut a lime here. We need about 22 ml of lime juice. That should do it. So 22 ml of lime juice, freshly squeezed. Then we are going to need some simple syrup. So 22 ml of simple syrup. Now we're going to need some rum. So you can either choose to use white rum or black rum or even golden rum. I like making my daiquiris with a black rum, so I'm going to use this Bacardi Black. So we're going to need 60 ml of rum. Now we need to shake this drink over ice. So I usually use one large ice cube and then a few smaller ice cubes. We need to shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. That should do it. Now we're going to serve this in a coupe glass. I'm going to use an Hawthorne strainer to strain it in the scoop glass. We need a lime wheel to garnish this. There you go, that's the classic daiquiri.